Okay, guys, so welcome back. Today's lesson is going to be really fun, but you need to make sure you pay attention to the directions because it's a little bit confusing. So it says circle 6 words in the puzzle that rhyme with heed. Heed. So remember, rhyming words have to have the same ending sound. So we're looking for words that end in heed. Okay? Circle 4 words in the puzzle that rhyme with week. Week. So again, we're looking for ending sounds that sound the same. So we're looking for 6 words that end in eed and 4 words that end in eek. Then we're going to write the words on the line, but we're actually not going to write the words on the line. We're just going to drag the bubbles. So we already have these going up and down. So when you see a yellow word, the yellow goes with heed and the green goes with week. So when you see a yellow word going up and down vertical that rhymes with heed, you're going to drag this bar over, okay? And then when you see a horizontal word that rhymes with heed, you're going to drag one of these bars over. And there should be a total of 6. So for instance, heed ends in the eed sound. So I see the word seed, S-E-E-D, and that rhymes with heed. So the word is going horizontally. It's going this way. So I'm going to drag one of these over and place it on the word seed. Okay? Remember that words have the same ending sound. So look for the EEDs in the word search. Okay? And then we're looking for words, I'm just going to scoot it over just a little bit. We're looking for words that rhyme with week. Eek. So I'm going to drag my bar over to words that I know that end in eek. So for instance, I see a word that says peak, P-E-E-K, peak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it, and you see this little yellow dot right here? If you get your mouse on this yellow dot, oh, if Miss Quintero can do it. Oh, I'm sorry, I apologize. It's this blue dot up here. If you get this mouse on this blue dot, you can move the bar over. And so since the word peak is a little bit slanted, I want to move my bar over just a tiny bit, like maybe a little bit more than that. And yours doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as we know you're saying peak. Okay? And then you're going to do the rest where you're dragging your bars, okay? All right, so then letter G down here, you guys are used to these, but these are the riddles. And you're writing the words in the box on the line. So the first word is weed, bee, week, teen, beat, peep, reef, tea, eel, and bee. So you're going to read the riddle and then type the word in right here into this blue box. So the first one says, I am a sound a baby bird makes. What am I? Well, what sound does a baby bird make? Peep, beep, beep. So peep right here, P-E-E-P. So you're going to type that, P-E-E-P. That's the end of that riddle, okay? And then you're going to go through the next ones and you're going to answer them, okay? I live in water and look like a snake. What are those things that live under the water that are, shaped like a snake and kind of slimy like a snake? Those are called eels. Eels. And it says eels because it has the double E. E-E-L. Eel. Okay, so you're going to complete this page. Have fun.